What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and a bit of an update on Ondo, which still right now has been super strong. I mean, what you see, we've already seen this in the last couple of months as well, when the market was relatively weak right here. So when we had those drops, etc., the 12th, 13th of April, Ondo managed to hold this consolidation range for quite long. And what you see right now, even though like Ondo is not 100% bullish right now. All right, so we'll talk about some potential dangers and some potential reversal signals as well. But so far, even after the drop yesterday, we managed to hold our main support level right here between 1.3 and 1.34 cents. And that's still the case right now. All right, so purely technically, if you look at this structure, Ondo is still bullish. Now, will that hold? Yes or no? That's what we'll talk about. So let's get right into it. I mean, what you see with Ondo, which is slightly worrying, I suppose, is that there is some sort of a divergence here. All right. So what you usually see, and this was already the case like last week, but there is, first of all, there's a bearish divergence with the price and the RSI. So that's one bearish divergence. And then you also have the price going up right here from the 26th of May until the 5th of June. And then you can see that the momentum or the open interest went down, at least if you look at the closing candles. So that's another bearish divergence. So if you purely look at that, you do start to think, well, right, we hit that level around 1.5, 1.45. That's also a relatively strong resistance level, or at least so far it's been tested relatively well. Maybe this is the start of some more bearish momentum, and that is possible. All right, because first of all, the market right now is not amazing. And then you can also see in a 4-hour time frame at least that we are beginning to respect like the 28 EMA, and you can see from this top right here at 1.45, you can see some sort of a start of bearish momentum here. And then apart from that, the momentum has dropped down even lower than when we were last week or last couple of days after the dump. And I also don't necessarily see that strong of a momentum reclaim, even though spot does seem to be bought up relatively well. So in general, my main idea and my main conclusion is that we have to wait for some more confirmation. All right, so confirmation would be a direction for Bitcoin. But short term, due to those bearish divergences and due to the loss of momentum, I have to say it's most likely we're going to drop down lower into 1.3 and 1.28 again. Now, do I think we're going to break down below that? For now, no, because the market structure as a whole is still bullish. All right, so I think it's most likely we will drop down on the short term, that we will hold 1.28 cents as support, and we will consolidate on top of that. And then the only way I can see us dropping down below that and back down to 1.18 and 1.17 cents down here, so that would be bearish. Then this is at least a short-term reversal. But the only way I see that bearish breakout happening is if the market opens bearish. All right, and the market opens, or at least we will get new volume and new money into the markets tomorrow, into Monday. If we see a continued drop into those days by Bitcoin down to 68,000, down to 67,000, then I think also because of the lack of momentum on its own, I think Ondo will follow that, and I think we'll get a bearish breakout. Right, so in short, bearish momentum I do expect, a bearish breakout I don't expect, but whether we can actually stay bullish or not, it depends on the markets. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.